Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Garbage issue has come up before the Honorable High Court. The Honorable High Court has time and again given various warnings to the Panchayats of MERCES, CHIMBEL and Santa Cruz to clear all the black spots and to ensure that there is no garbage thrown on the streets. I have today pointed out with photographs of the very sad state of affairs within these three panchayats. I have also pointed out to the Honorable Court that the road from Ribandar to MERCES is all full of illegal scrapyards, and today the Honorable High Court has directed the MERCES Panchayat to explain on the next day as to how these illegal scrapyards have mushroomed on the Ribandar MERCES road, and has also given directions to all the three panchayats that they should ensure that there are no black spots and no garbage is found on the streets. So the three panchayats have been directed to file their affidavits, and the court has adjourned the matter now to April 13th.